Sunday today. Good morning. Going again. Nandito na kami sa anong tawag dito sa ano na ito? Circle. Ayun yung Jollibee Junction. Anong tawag nito? Yung nagsasabat. Ito yung madalas nagkakaroon ng traffic. Ngayong linggo medyo okay. Yan, dumaan na si Bataan Transit. Ayan yung traffic. Ayun. May kapatid yan eh. Dati may kapatid siya. You see the dancing traffic? Traffic man. Yeah, you see.
I don't want the music.
Wow. Nice. Very nice. Very jolly. All the drivers are smiling even though it's traffic. Because you can see that one only in the Philippines. There is a security guard, traffic man, or traffic police. So there we are on the way to the grape farm. Grape farm, morning. This is the way of going to the grape farm of the Philippines. Here is one in Bawang La Union, some other provinces. I think they have also the grape farm. Yeah. There is the bridge. Yeah. The bridge over troubled water. Ay, nasaan ang view? There. I'll put you in the view. Ay. Yeah. That is the farm. And the houses. There. Sunshine. Sunny today. Very sunny today. There. A view of the bridge. Long bridge, I think. This is also that is the sea over there. Yeah. Oh. Karugtong nito yung ilog na nanggagaling sa Nagilian. Yan. That is the view. Nice view. Okay. Oh. Here again, I go back to the... Say hi, Leo. Good morning. Smiling. Where are you going today? We go Shaula. Gala. Ayan. Sinong hindi naligo? Sinong naghanap ng pustiso?
Hindi ba ako?
Ayan. Okay, bye. I'll end my video here. Bye. Thank you for watching.
4:30, mabalik na
On the
hindi na
road.